Good morning, students. Welcome to Paramount Public School, grade KG, English class. Students, today we are going to write sound of I. So let's start. Firstly, write bin. Write here B I N bin. bin bin. Next one is fin. Write here F I N fin. Fin fin. Next one is kin. K I N kin. Kin kin. Next one is pin. Right here P I N pin. Pin pin. Now write here tin. Tin tin. Tin. Now W I N win. WIN win. Next one is D I N din. DIN din. Now sin. SIN sin. SIN sin. Next one is B I T bit. BIT bit. Next one is FIT fit. FIT fit. Students, write this sound on your notebook and learn it also. Thank you. Have a nice day.